Oh, come on. Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and we're actually going to be going to Steam. I'm fiddling with a new recording software, so if any problems happen, please let me know. And because also I changed my channel name to Elections and Politics, which is kind of POG, but kind of not. Let's go to the political machine. Let's play now. Open. Here we go. Let's just play this. Okay, it's loading right now. Now loading. So this is going to be pretty pog because I have the, you can obviously, I have the Steam version now. So that is good. There we go. There's the Stardock stuff. Here we are. Let me just mute this because it's extremely loud. Let's play as a Democrat, I guess, or should we do AI versus AI? I don't even know why I'm talking to myself due to the fact that nobody's even going to hear it. Dwight Eisenhower. So I have some new candidates: FDR, George Washington, Howie Hawkins, James Polk, Jimmy Carter, Joe Manchin. We have John Adams. We have John Ossoff. We have Karl Marx, whose ideology is communism. Mark Kelly. Bloomberg. Raphael Warnock. Robert Kennedy. Rufus King. Tony Blair. Tulsi, whoever this guy is. And Vladimir Lenin. I might need to split this into two parts, due to the fact that this recording system only allows me 15 minutes or less. Oh wait, there's also Jackson. I'm going to go with, how about let's do, I'm just going to randomize it. You know what, actually no, that's not what I'm going to do. Let's do an AI versus AI game. Let's put the Democrat as Andrew Jackson. Who is somebody original? Let's do FDR versus Ronald Reagan. Ronald Reagan versus FDR. Oh, on the Republican side, the new ones we have are Abraham Lincoln. For some reason, his media bias is disliked. Andrew Johnson. I don't even know who that is. Don't know that. Barry Goldwater. Then there's Ben Shapiro. Barry Goldwater's here. And Ben Shapiro, yes, he is here. Benito Mussolini. I'm only saying the new ones, by the way. Bill Weld. Candace Owens. Charlie Baker. George H.W. Bush. George Washington. Gerald Ford. Okay, I have two Gerald Fords. James Madison. Joe Jorgensen. If you're bored of just hearing this, you can skip ahead. Josh Hawley. Trumpian populist. Kanye West. Kelly Loeffler. Marco Rubio. Mike Pence is already there. Mike Huckabee. Mitch McConnell. We know you. Mitt Romney. Newt Gingrich. Osama bin Laden, who is a fascist for some reason. Paul Ryan. It's Rand Paul, Richard Nixon, Ron DeSantis, Ross Perot, Deficit Hawk is his name for some reason, Sarah Palin, Thomas Jefferson, Vladimir Putin, William Taft, Winston Churchill, and for some reason Xi Jinping is a Republican. Okay, why did it go back? And here we are with Ronald Reagan, FDR versus Ronald Reagan. In the ultimate battle, who wins? So California is a toss-up right now. Remember, this is AI versus AI. I'm not doing anything. California is a toss-up right now, probably due to Reagan's home state advantage. However, that is still unrealistic. FDR is just traveling there. They're both going to California. Reagan just gave a speech there. He said, "I am Reagan and I oppose drought assistance." That's not a good idea. California likes drought assistance a lot. I can do that. I can still do a few things for him. Apparently. I can't move him, however. Go to town hall if you want to do something. Liberty for all. Ronald Reagan just endorsed liberty for all. That's pretty good for him, actually. FDR just doing these headquarters like everywhere. Reagan says better private insurance and the free market. That sounds like a pretty good idea. Until you realize that I don't know when. But you're going to realize I didn't even know where you're asking me this. So we can upgrade HQ in Michigan, but I'm not going to do that. It's supposed to be him versus them. Randomized. California is a pure toss-up right now. FDR says hope and change. Okay. Reagan says energy independence. Right now in the popular vote, Republicans, which you can't see, the popular vote you can't see, but I can. Let me just show you guys. There we go. Reagan is leading by 5%. That's pretty good. That is pretty good, winning the popular vote by 5%. In New Hampshire, the newspaper says, "I support stopping the COVID-19 virus." Okay. FDR says social justice. Okay, social justice. In Oregon, Reagan says fill the Supreme Court vacancy. In Nevada, he says oppose immigration reform. FDR chose Yang. That's actually unbelievable. And Reagan chose Candace Owens? This is like a very funny thing. FDR and Yang and Reagan and Owens? What is this? Reagan is now only leading in 2%. FDR has really been catching up to him. In the electoral votes, Reagan is barely winning. It might all come down to Florida. 2000 flashbacks. We might need a few recounts and a few, yeah. Maine just tax cuts, says Reagan. Oh, FDR says stop wealth inequality. Oh, Florida just went safe, right? FDR, that was not a good one. He's in the lead by just 1%, however. FDR, stop trying to catch up in the popular vote. Because that really doesn't help you ultimately. You need to catch up in the electoral vote. Andrew Yang just staying there in New Hampshire. Andrew Yang looks so weird here. They should have made him look better. Political opportunity in Minnesota, guys. They're not even doing... Newspaper. Roosevelt opposes socialism. What kind of attack ad is that, says Ray. You do too. What? I'm so confused. Why are you attacking him for that? Reagan opposes selective immigration. He actually supports that. Roosevelt opposes socialism. These guys are putting very weird things. Taxing the rich, says FDR. Oh, Reagan says less regulation. He's like, let's stop regulating. Let's stop it. No, I'm acting like Trump. Why am I acting like Trump when Reagan's running? Oh my God, 2% lead for Reagan. This is not looking good. Reagan, you should have, I know what Reagan could have done to win, like, all the votes. He should have picked Jeb as his VP. FDR be like, what? It's coming down to Florida again. Reagan's winning in Iowa. Oh, yeah, step back. Oh, what's this newspaper? Roosevelt opposes socialism. The only places where that would hurt him is in Californians oppose drought assistance, and you support LGBTQ rights. Oh, Reagan wins Maine. Major projection. If they're too close to call, then it's major projection. Major projection, Ronald Reagan wins Delaware. Major projection, Ronald Reagan wins Pennsylvania. He carried Virginia, North Carolina. Major projection, he wins Florida. However, FDR can still win this. He will need to carry Michigan, though. Oh, that's pretty much his chances out the window. Yep. Okay. FDR, nice try. But when you lost Michigan, you lost it all. It wouldn't even have mattered. You lost Wisconsin as well. Hey, that Rust Belt is like 2016. That's 2016 Rust Belt. Oh, Reagan just won the presidency. We can now project Reagan as the president-elect, and that means Candace Owens is the vice president. And since this is 2020 political machine, Candace Owens is the first ever woman vice president. Thank you for watching this video. Actually, let's take a look at the exit polls. Pause the video right here to take a look at the exit polls. There you go. Thanks for watching.